Welcome to Watertown Roofing, a division of FRS Roofing plus Gutters. Your trusted partner for roof replacement in Watertown, Massachusetts. For decades, our team has transformed homes with our expertise in roofing solutions. When your roof shows signs of wear, aging, or damage, it's crucial to address it swiftly. We specialize in roof replacement, ensuring your home stays protected from the elements. Wondering about the quality? Our Watertown clientele is a testimony to our dedication and proficiency. Whether it's a complete overhaul or a minor fix, we treat every project with utmost precision. Not just a business, we're your neighbors who understand the unique requirements of Watertown's homes. Our commitment? Delivering top-notch roof replacement in Watertown, Massachusetts, and ensuring our community stays covered. We source only the best materials, partnered with skilled craftsmanship, to guarantee longevity. We understand the intricacies and demands of the Watertown climate, tailoring our services to meet its challenges. Investing in your roof is an investment in your home's future. We make it worth every penny. Reach out to our friendly team at 781-957-1136, and let's discuss the best solution for your roofing needs. Or check out our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Watertown for a comprehensive look at our services. Let's build a safer, sturdier roof tomorrow together.